Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Srinivasan developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a normal currency number into a Indian currency format text. So it's just converting the number into a text format. So I'm going to use my library. So go to new get packages. So there in browse tabs, just type streetleaves. So there you can see your some of my libraries uh, listed in NuGet Package Manager, and these are all the libraries to use to sync the databases, local and remote databases. So now in this video I'm going to include this library because we are going to convert the normal number into a text format. So still numeric take a text. So this is our library. So I just already added to this library, this application, sorry. um, so yeah, let's get into this. So now this is our object. We are going to use to convert the uh, number to text. So I just added the namespace here. So now there is no error. For Indian currency format, by default this library will convert the normal number into a uh, text in US dollars. So we are going to change the units actually. So names of the units. So whole unit name equal to rupees. Configuration of fractional unit equal to paise, and numeral system equal to lakh crore. So if you want to convert the number into our Indian new currency system, this is the crore Arab kharab. So you can choose this. Otherwise, if you want to convert the number into normal Indian currency format, so you can use lakh crore. So that's it. So yeah, now configure dot get converted text. So here we are going to pass the value. So this is a value, any value we can pass it, like a byte, decimal. We can also give input value as a string directly. So now we are going to console dot read line. So read line. So now this method will return a output actually. So we are going to console dot write line directly. We are going to directly pass the output of as an input argument of write line method. So now we are going to stop. So now I just pressed F5 to run the application. So now if I press 187.58 paise, so 187 rupees 58 paise. That's it, guys. This is the very simplest method to you convert a normal number into a Indian currency format. Thank you.